Hey guys, I'm Duamjit. So are you guys still worried about creating app, writing about a lot of code and stack stuff, and worried about how to start, or you are a non-coder and you don't know how to code or something like that you are worried of? You can still build a brilliant app by the use of AI. And in this video, I am going to tell you step by step how you can do it. So here we are going to use Firebase Studio. So let's get into it. So you go towards your browser. So go to a browser and search here for Firebase Studio. Like this. And this is the first site. Just click on it. So firstly, I'm going to tell you about the environment, what Firebase is, and then I'm going to create the brilliant app. Okay, so this is the best platform I have ever seen. Make your app the best it can be with Firebase and Generative. So basically, Firebase is a platform of services to help you and AI agents build and run intelligent apps with more speed, security, and scalability. Designed for the complete app development lifecycle, packed by Google and trusted by millions of businesses around the world. So you guys here see the options of build and run. So in the build, get to the market quickly. And it's one of the biggest problems. Like building app in 2026 is not a big deal, but getting it to the market is such a difficult task. And here comes Firebase. It helps you to get your product into the market and you can scale it globally. So build AI-powered experiences into your apps and accelerated app development with managed infrastructure powered by Google Cloud. So you can focus on what matters most. So here comes app hosting, SQL Connect, and Firebase AI logic. And in run, you can run your app with confidence and deliver the best experience for your users. Launch, monitor, and iterate with AI assistive tools that help you optimize your app's quality and experience. So here you guys can see all the building tools by clicking view or building products. So here you guys can see it contains each and everything which you guys need and what not. So app check, Firebase ML, app hosting, Firestore, authentication, GenKit, cloud functions, hosting, cloud storage, phone number verification, like each and everything. Extensions, Firebase AI logic. So here is the brief intro, what are the things and how they're born about. So yeah, it also comes with the extensions, but what I actually want to show you guys is about Google Analytics. Just click here. An app measurement solution available at no charge that provides insights on app usage and user engagement. Image Analytics for mobile. Google Analytics provides unlimited events to measure the things that uniquely matter to your business. So here comes users insights. You guys can easily see. And attribution across dozens of success sources. It contains its own ads network by which you can monetize your app. With Google Ads, insights become actions. Google Ads help you advertise your app to the billions of people that use search, YouTube, Google Play, and more. In just a few minutes, you can use your Google Analytics data to understand campaign performance, unlocking optimizations to find more engaged and valuable customers for your app via app campaigns. So here we're going deeper into app campaigns, what they actually are. So okay, so it provides you $400 ads credit. It's amazing and good start. So here comes its benefits. You don't need to create individual ads for different networks and formats. And then automated optimization, simplified setups, automated optimization, wider audience reach, focus on conversations, and many more. Boom. Like it solves every problem which a new developer faces. And here comes about your payments. You need to have a valid credit card or other payment to link your account simply and get your payments into it. It's that simple. So going back towards our Firebase Studio, have you guys ever heard about AdMob? It's the app for mobiles which can actually make you richer, and you can earn a lot in this way. And here guys, can you see in pricing, there is no cost to using Google Analytics. Like it's totally free of cost. Okay, so get started. I'm too excited to do. So if you don't have the account, then simply like here I have already the account like this. So if I already have the account here, so if you don't, then just simply sign up and add your email. So here I'm going to tell you that how to create a new project, what you can do with it. Like, okay, so build an AI powered Flutter app, or try an AI powered trip planner, try an agent Prista app. So firstly we need to create new project. Simply create here and name your project like whatever you want. So I am naming it how. Okay, so we have this, just take it like this. Okay, so AI assistance for your Firebase project. Okay, so here comes the point that if you want AI help in your project, you can simply enable the option, and if you don't, then just close it from here like that. It's now closed, but I prefer that if you are a beginner, just switch it on. It will help you and make your task much more easier. So AI assistance for your Firebase project. Gemini in Firebase is integrated within the Firebase console to help streamline your development process. So chat with Gemini to plan and design your application and get recommendations tailored to your project, debug and troubleshoot issues in your app using AI assistance in Firebase, crash lytics, and many more. So I prefer to switch it on, and yeah, it is. So just move a bit lower and click on continue. And here also it's preferred to switch Google Analytics for this project on, and then continue again. Okay, so it's the business tool, and yeah, I accept the terms and conditions for using it, and boom, it's creating your project, actually preparing your project. So just wait for a while till it completes its work. It's just finishing up. and boom, your Firebase project is ready. So just click on continue, and here comes. So build, so just simply authorize, so here comes our terminal. You can see your terminal, and it's all for today. You have completed your setup for Firebase, and congratulations for creating it. In the next video I am going to show you how to create the app by using Firebase Studio. So stay tuned.